Okay, guys. I know it's hard to believe that with my subscriber count that this is still just a hobby, but yeah, it is. So I went on a vacation and it has been a few weeks since my last video. So this June update is long overdue. So let's roll the intro and get right into it.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad.
Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. The content of this channel is for informational and entertainment purpose only. None of it is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Your invested money is at risk. Don't follow investing decisions you see on the internet. Past performance is not a guarantee of future performance. Always do your own research. Okay, let's jump right into the portfolio. The total value is sitting at 15,611 euros at the moment. So that's over 3k more than since the last update, because I invested almost 3,000 in June. If you want to see my crazy buying spree, you can check out my video I made. There you can see all my buys. But yeah, that's the value. If we look at the performance, we are sitting at exactly 9% with dividends included. If we compare to the S&P, it's not looking too good. We did pretty good for a while, but now the S&P has 10% more. But we are not just focused on growth. This is a dividend portfolio. I just buy dividend payers, so a bit of lower performance is expected here. If we look at the top movers of the portfolio, so the absolute winner is Microsoft with over 80% in the plus. I think this will be my first stock with a 100% gain for sure. Main Street Capital also with a nice gain of 25%, and Kroger 17%, although they have been down lately. Yeah, bit of a drop, but still up quite a bit. Let's go back. And also Google, which I just bought recently, already up 7%. So yeah, pretty good here. If we look at the losers, yeah, Starbucks, quack, quack, quack. Yikes, down 18%. But we all love coffee, don't we? So I think they'll recover. So another fast food chain, almost down 10%, McDonald's, and Johnson Johnson, 6%. Realty Income recently recovered a bit, just like Main Street Capital and all the other REITs. So if we look at their performance, so yeah, they were quite a bit lower already. They recovered. Let's look at the last 7 days. Yeah, here you can see over 4% gain in the last days. So they recovered a bit. So yeah, that's the top winners and losers in my portfolio. I'd say we look at the dividends next I received in June. Okay, let's look at the dividends we got in June. So the first payment we received from Kroger, exactly 3 euros on the 3rd of June. Also on the 3rd of June, we received a payment from Visa at €1.29. The third payment came in from Johnson & Johnson 1 day later at €3.58. On the 13th, Microsoft paid us €2.70. Then we have our two monthly payers. First, Main Street Capital at €2.44, and also Realty Income at €4.15. They both paid us on the 14th. That's my first payment ever from Google. I received 44 cents from them. On the same day, McDonald's paid me €3.74. Then on the 26th of June, the two Vanguard ETFs paid also my first payments from them, the S&P 500 and the All World High Dividend. I received 53 cents and €2.45. And the last payment came from Main Street Capital again. They paid another special dividend coming in at €3.07. So in total, that was 11 payments this month at 27.39. All right, to end things off, we are looking at the dividend chart, the total dividends of my portfolio. So in total, I earned €290 in dividends, almost at 300. So we are nice and steady growing. If we're looking at it per year, so in the first year we made 45 cents in dividends, and last year in 2023 we made €114 in total, and we are now about halfway, and we're already at €175. So we will at least double last year in total dividends. So that's nice to see. And now drum roll please for my favorite chart of all, the year-over-year comparison of the dividends. So as you can see, the purple are from last year, and we are smashing it every month. So that's what we like to see. Ignore July. We are already in the middle of July, so already received some dividends here. But this is the June update. So if we look at June, last year we made just under €8, and this year it was almost €30. So again, a nice increase here. So, and yeah, I just love looking at this. This is where you can see the dividend snowball in full effect. If you compare it to last year, you can really track the progress, and it gives me a lot of motivation to keep going. And yeah, I think that's it for this update. We'll make it a shorter one because it's already late and I have to edit it and upload it. So yeah, we'll end it here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one on the road to 100K.